We're going to take a look at number 106. 106 is a word problem that has like a lot of parts to it, but I'm just going to kind of talk through this one because there's actually more than one way to do this. It's asking, here's a table that shows acres and cost and number of bushels, and it says Mr. Fontenot cannot do more than 80% of a field to one particular type, but he wants to design a field so that he can harvest the most soybeans for the lowest cost. So basically, in order to do this question, you have to figure out which soybeans cost the least, like per bushel. You want to get the most out of your harvest. So for example, if you wanted to find the cost of A, you would say, if it's $174.70 to cost for 1 acre, and he planted 200 acres, you would multiply those numbers together, 174.70, and you'd get $34,940. Out of that amount, he got 9,000 bushels. So if you divide that by 9,000, so basically what I'm saying, so you can actually see, in order to find the cost like per bushel, which is what you're going to do, you're going to multiply those two numbers together, and then whatever you get, you're going to divide. And that's going to give you your total cost. So for this one, when you do 200 times 174.70 divided by 9,000, you get 3.88. That means per bushel on soybean A, it costs him $3.88. So you need to do that for all 4 of these in order to figure out which one's going to be the cheapest. And then once you know what that is, you're going to devote 80% of the field to the cheapest one, and then 20% of the field to the next cheapest one. So I will tell you that I'm not going to do the whole question for you, but if you do this process, multiply here and then divide here, multiply and then divide, multiply and then divide, you'll get which ones are the cheapest and which ones are the most expensive. Once you figure out which one is cheapest, you want 80% of the total acreage to be that bean, and you want 20% to be the next cheapest bean. So I will let you work that out, and then hopefully you feel good about getting your answer there.